Hey y'all, it's Brunchy B. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make some steak breakfast bagels. So of course, we're gonna season our steak. I like to start off just with some basics, salt, pepper, a little garlic, red pepper flake, a little fennel. Go ahead and season that baby. Of course, flip it, season it on both sides. Now it's time to cook. Alright, let's cook this thing. Alrighty, while the steak is finishing up, let's go ahead and toast off our bagel. I like to put my oven on broil because I don't have a toaster. Alrighty, egg time, and you go ahead and make whatever egg you want. I like over easy eggs, but today I'm gonna make an over hard egg. Assemble and enjoy, girl. Enjoy your food that you just cooked all by your beautiful self. Alrighty. I hope you all have a beautiful day, a positive day. Alright, I'll see y'all next video.